What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is up 0.20%, nasdaq down 0.43%, S&P down 0.27%, and Russell 2000 also down on the day 0.45%. And here in this groups we got industrials on top, technology, real estate, financial, communication services, and look at down here on bottom, basic materials, utilities, consumer cyclical, energy, and healthcare taking a beating. But week to date performance right here, leading here on top, communication services, consumer cyclical, industrials, technology, and laggards are down here, utilities, basic materials, real estate, healthcare, consumer defensive. And here on the stock market map, we got Tesla down 2.38%, Amazon down 1.5%, and Meta is up 1.29%. An absolute dip buy today on Meta, and I did buy that dip on Meta and day traded Meta today, guys. Buying that dip at 315 and selling out past 320. That was really good trade on Meta. Also, Google stock, I did buy that dip early in the morning, right at opening, and riding it all the way up to 133. Now, NVIDIA down on the day, and this is another one that I played from 463 all the way up to 468, and that is where I sold out here on NVIDIA. And if you look at AMD here, guys, up almost 3%, and now I think it's up with the earnings another 3-4%. Apple stock down 0.43%, and Microsoft not really going anywhere. Absolute flat day on Microsoft. And look at right here, Caterpillar, the big name from Dow Jones Industrials right here, up almost 9% with a massive earnings beat. Caterpillar is up big, guys. And also DE getting a big sympathy from Caterpillar, and all these other names down here. I mean, not all of these names are up, but if you look at it, guys, that was a massive move on Caterpillar. I mean, imagine you buying Caterpillar 8 months ago at 160, 170, or even 200. Now it's close to 300, guys. So anything is possible as long as you're buying big names, mega names. Market can move higher, and that is how the market works. And nothing is broken. We kind of got a mixed bag here in the market. Some of the stocks are green and some of the stocks are red today, so nothing really big. Kind of a consolidation day here in the market. And that is why when you get a dip in the market, a big dip like we got last year back in 2022, a bear market dip, those were buying opportunities, and now people are chasing, and that is not the right thing to do. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So on SPY ETF, we got this bearish looking candle, a massive red candle last week, and look at this range right now. It's just trading sideways. Another bear trap down here. A lot of bears thought that SPY is going to give up and come down. No, it's not happening. And look at this, guys. Nothing has broken yet on SPY. Everything is holding. Uptrend is holding above 455.84. Blue line 5 SMA, and that is a bull trend on SPY. So watch out here on SPY. If this thing can hold 455 to 456, we could see a quick trip back up to 460 and possibly up to that weekly expected move to the upside, 462. To the downside, below 455, 456, we do have support down here, 454, 13 SMA, and then all the way down here, 450, which is aligned with this white line, 20 SMA. So on triple Q, absolutely flat day, only down 0.23%. And if you look at it, again, it's holding 380 and also holding above blue line 5 SMA, sitting close to 381, which is bullish on triple Q. Now, only if that gives up 381 to 380, then we could see a quick trip down to 376, white line 20 SMA, and then the gap below 374. 380 to 381 can hold on triple Q. We could see a move back up to possibly 390 to 393, and that would be a higher high on triple Q, breaking above this high 387.98. On Dow Jones ETF, DIA also looking good, only up 0.17%, but if you look at it, it's looking strong and bullish for a move all the way up to 360 plus. Now DIA not giving up anything, not even giving this support up here close to 355. Blue line 5 SMA 354.85 to be exact, and this blue line will continue to move higher, and DIA can trade above this blue line 5 SMA. We're going to see 360 plus on DIA, and I said it before guys, even a new all-time high. Now DIA breaks under 355, then watch out for the support at 352, and then the gap below 349 to 350. We also have strong support at 348.39. We got rising white line 20 SMA down here on DIA. And this is why this is called a bull market, and this is a bull trend, because on a bull trend, shallow pullbacks and dip buyers are ready to buy the dip, and you got a perfect example right here. And look at this candle. IWM coming down to 195.78 right off of this orange line, 13 SMA, not even quite touching it guys, 195.43, and the dip buyers again ready to buy the dip. They bought that dip, and look at this, now closing at almost 198, also holding above 196.66, and that is a strong bullish trend on IWM. So IWM above this support up here 196.66, we could see a move all the way up to easily 200 plus. Below 196.66, we have support down here 195.43, and only if that gives up, watch out for a move down to 192.84, and then the gap below 190. On VIX, slightly up on the day, but not really going anywhere, not above 15. And I said it before in my video that VIX cannot break above 15. We're not going to see any significant pullback in the market. And only time if this thing breaks above 15, we're going to see a quick trip up to 18 to 20. And if this thing somehow breaks above 20 at some point this year, then we're going to see a correction, a significant pullback in the market. Below 15, low fear, and this thing can just trade right here sideways, and market can still go up to a new all-time high. As a support, nothing but this lower Bollinger Band down here, which is sitting around $12.68 on VIX. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.